Before your next road trip, before your next breakdown, before the next unexpected emergency, there are 10 insanely useful budget car tools every driver must have in 2026. These tools are cheap, powerful, and can literally save your time, money, and even your life. Let's jump straight into the gear every smart driver should keep in their car, starting with the tool most people overlook. Number 1. Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. If you want one tool that instantly makes your car safer and saves you money, this is it. The Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is the ultimate low-cost hero. Driving with incorrect tire pressure is one of the biggest hidden dangers on the road. Low pressure means higher fuel consumption, massive tire wear, poor braking, weak handling, and yes, blowouts. But here's the crazy part. Most drivers have no idea their tires are underinflated. A simple digital gauge fixes this instantly. Modern gauges in 2026 give ultra-precise readings, even in low light thanks to LED backlighting. They're small, lightweight, and cost less than a pizza. In less than 10 seconds, you'll know exactly whether your tires are safe. No gas station pressure machine, no guessing, no waiting in line. This one tiny tool can save you hundreds of dollars per year in fuel and tire wear. And more importantly, it can literally prevent accidents. Every glove box should have one. No excuses. Number 2. Portable 12-volt tire inflator air compressor. Picture this. It's late, you're far from home, and one tire suddenly drops to almost zero pressure. Most drivers panic. You won't because you have a portable tire inflator in your trunk. This small device is a total game changer. Plug it into your 12-volt outlet, set your desired pressure, hit start, and the inflator does everything. Many models even auto shut off when it reaches the exact PSI. Modern 2026 models come with digital PSI screens, emergency LED lights, smart pressure presets, fast inflation motors, ultra-compact designs. This tool means you never get stuck on the roadside waiting for help. It's perfect for slow leaks, sudden flats, long road trips, checking pressure before highway drive. A good inflator costs around $25 to $40, and it always earns its value the first time you need it. When you combine it with tool number 1, you're basically self-sufficient for 90% of tire problems. This is a must-have tool for every driver in 2026. Number 3. Heavy-duty jumper cables. The number 1 roadside emergency in the world is a dead battery. You're not alone. It happens to millions of drivers every year, but with heavy-duty jumper cables, a dead battery becomes a 60-second problem instead of a 3-hour nightmare. Forget those thin, cheap cables. You need thick, copper core, weatherproof cables that transfer strong current safely. These cables can jumpstart your engine instantly when your battery is weak due to leaving headlights on extreme cold, old battery, short distance driving, long parking periods. A good pair of jumper cables lasts years and costs very little. And here's the truth. Every car should have jumper cables, not just yours. You'll end up helping other drivers too. If your budget allows, you can upgrade to a portable jumpstart, but jumper cables remain the most budget-friendly, essential tool every driver must own. Number 4. Basic socket and ratchet set. If you want to fix small issues yourself without running to a mechanic, this tool is your best friend. A basic socket and ratchet set allows you to tighten or remove bolts quickly, safely, and easily. No slipping, no struggling. You don't need a giant mechanic kit. Just a compact 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch drive set with essential sockets is enough. With this one tool, you can remove battery terminals, tighten loose components, access engine covers, fix loose bumpers, replace cabin air filters, remove small plastic bolts. The ratchet mechanism makes turning bolts smooth and fast, something a normal wrench can never match. Most people don't realize how many simple car fixes they can perform themselves with just this one kit. This tool not only saves money, it gives you the confidence to handle basic repairs on your own. Perfect for emergencies, perfect for home use, perfect for every driver. A solid budget set costs around $20 to $30 and lasts for years. Definitely one of the smartest investments you can make in 2026. Number 5. Compact LED flashlight. Your phone flashlight won't cut it during a real nighttime emergency. Phones get hot, the battery drains fast, and the beam is too weak. A compact LED flashlight is an essential safety tool every driver must have. Breakdowns and accidents often happen at night, and visibility makes all the difference. A powerful flashlight helps you inspect your engine, check tires, look under your car, change a wheel, stay visible to other drivers, signal for help. Modern LED flashlights highlights are super bright, weatherproof, long-lasting shock, resistant, pocket-sized, and they cost less than $10. If you ever experience a breakdown on a dark highway, this tiny tool becomes your lifeline. Don't rely on your phone in emergencies. Rely on a proper flashlight. Number 6. Multi-tool. Pliers, screwdrivers, knife, and more. This is one of the most versatile and powerful budget tools you can own. A multi-tool is basically an entire mini toolbox packed into your pocket. Pliers, screwdrivers, knife wire cutter, saw, file bottle opener, scissors, wrenches. You'll be shocked how often this tool saves the day. Real uses every driver has faced: cutting zip ties, tightening loose screws, opening stuck clips, snipping wires, cutting rope or tape, minor quick repairs, fixing loose interior parts. If you drive long distances or commute daily, this tool is priceless. It's lightweight, cheap, durable, and incredibly practical. One multi-tool can replace an entire drawer of tools, and at under $20, it's one of the smartest things you can keep in your glove box. Number 7. Adjustable wrench. This is the perfect companion tool to your ratchet set. The adjustable wrench replaces multiple wrench sizes in one single tool. It's ideal for bolts that your socket set may not reach, or for quick tightening jobs. Great for battery terminals, hose clamps, engine bay bolts, seat frame bolts, tightening brackets, undercarriage components. It's simple, cheap, reliable, and extremely effective. Even non-mechanic drivers find this tool easy to use. If you want an affordable tool that covers dozens of situations, this is it. Every emergency toolbox needs an adjustable wrench. It's that important. Number 8. Tire repair plug kit. This tool right here can save you from long roadside waits and from expensive towing charges. A tire plug kit lets you repair small punctures instantly without removing the tire. With this $10 kit, you can fix most nail or screw punctures in minutes. Pull out the object, clean the hole with the reaming tool, insert the plug, trim excess rubber, reinflate the tire, and boom, you're back on the road. This fix often lasts long enough to reach home or a tire shop safely. Drivers dealing with rough roads, construction zones, or long highway commutes should never drive without this kit. Combine this with the portable inflator, and you're fully protected from most tire emergencies. Number 9. Duct tape plus electrical tape. These tapes are legendary for a reason. They fix almost everything temporarily. Duct tape is perfect for loose bumpers, cracked hoses, detached trim, broken mirror housings, temporary underbody fixes. Electrical tape is perfect for covering exposed wires, insulating damaged areas, small electrical repairs, quick wire protection. Are these permanent fixes? No, but they're strong enough to keep you safe until you reach a mechanic. Every emergency kit needs these 2 tapes. They can save you from dangerous situations and expensive repairs. Number 10. First aid plus roadside emergency kit. This final tool isn't for your car, it's for you. A first aid and roadside safety kit is something every responsible driver must carry. Roadside emergencies don't warn you, they just happen. Your kit should include bandages, gauze, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, gloves, scissors, tweezers, emergency thermal blanket, reflective safety vest, warning triangle, safety whistle, and when your car breaks down on a dark highway, that reflective vest and warning triangle could save your life. This kit isn't optional, it's essential. You protect your car with tools, now protect yourself with this one. And there you go. 10 affordable but absolutely game-changing car tools every driver should own in 2026. These tools keep you safer, save you money, and make sure you're never stranded again. If you want more car gear reviews, Amazon links, or script ideas, hit the like button and comment below. Drive safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.